Alright, so here's how to remove compatibility mode in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. First of all, you need to move your cursor onto the left upper side, which is the file option. So simply tap on that. And then from here, you need to first go to the bottom and simply select the options. Now from here, you need to go with the save. Once again, you will see the save files in this format. You will need to select Excel workbook. So for default case, you need to find out if you have any other selected, then simply go with Excel workbook and simply go with OK. Now once again, go to the file and then from here, simply go with the info. Now you will probably see the inspect workbook option. Under this section, you will see check for issues. So select this and you will find out the check compatibility. Now simply select this one, and the main thing is that you have these options selected like check compatibility when saving this workbook. So you need to untick it first and simply go with OK. Right after that, once again go to the file and simply go with the save as. Now you need to save this file into new location or newly. So for that reason, you need to go with the browse and simply name anything that you like. So I will go with Kazi Tutorials like that and simply save the file type as. You need to select here Excel workbook. So select the first one and now save it as. So simply close this file. And as you can see guys, we got the Kazi Tutorials file over here. So first we need to open this up, and after opening this up, as you can see, we have successfully removed the compatibility. So that's how you can simply do it. Hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.